Welcome to my channel. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Yes, Angja! Let's go home. Hello everyone, welcome back again to another new video. We are going up. I don't know exactly where we are going today. I'm just going to follow my friends and let's see where we will land. Này, đầu tiên xuống nó sẽ Sunday church của bé là cái tiêu hợp quỷ nó sẽ ta lại trận nó sẽ ta. Then let's go and have fun, okay? Enjoy with me.
No, you're staying where?
No, center though I didn't stay. Last time.
We are here at Kavanam,
Kavanam. Last time was
waiting
in
for
Kavanam.
No, you're staying where? No,
waiting for
System
Sir
zooming
Kenny.
cultivation in Maram.
We are about to move out now. Sir Justin on the dice, Sir Nganimi, Angja, and Sir Arabe. Where is? This is Sir Biring. Rất là xì. So guys, we have started our journey. Let's go. Here is Sir Arabe on the driver's seat. Four of them already went ahead. Ôi, tôi mấy nào tàu làm cái đâu mà này. Yam nungay ko mapamsi. Wow. Sir Biring and Sir Justin at the front. On back side, Sir Ningni and Angja. And I am with Sir Arabe here. Whoa! No idea. We have reached one village. See? We don't know what village is this. Hello. Hi. Kun amayaw re. On talk pa ni. Thata chata na kun amayaw re. First tàu cái papai kun. Chị xong phun mang ngay đây. Pagkarot lấy chị kajarot đi ra cái. Chị thì bạn picture đó không lấy.
I like picture.
So off-roading, scooty off-roading. Mà khơi ngỡ chơi. Thế mà người phải đó cứ được thấy phát sáo. Cái này ba hay ba ốc tui. Ốc tui cái gì đâu đây? Ốc tui đó khổng này quá ra chứ bác. Actually, we are looking for the potato farm, government potato farm, and we lost our way. He passed chai kung lagu ngos. Mesti mana mana kena mana. See, good Thai. I think you guys also have tasted this. Wow! We are doing pumping here. Sir Biring is the master.
How much?
Apam nào gì hiểu tung hình san cái là dạng ngay lạc rồi. It's good. I mean the view is nice. Or the mountains here. So refreshing. The sun is still high. China Ocean Sea. Yay! So arrived fully focused. Yeah. Whoa. Nungai ba tu hey.
Sige tare, nungai ba na. Taru din lore.
At cứ thấy âm, cứ thấy âm này. Trong phước khẩm tha ta nghe.
One village is there.
Anh ngừng sai hay đó tụi này, phát chế hay đó. Chính mà may đó co. It is stand thầm ghép ra. Big kid is searching.
Oh, let's plug this one here. See Jinjing one here.
Jing.
Not a matter.
Sir Justin, any message for the commercials?
So Vicky is here. Our childhood memories. You should go and hunt this type of fruits. Let me say this is Bigatina.
I have my air gun.
So let's go now then.
Pula.
Just coming.
Sure.
Pula.
Wow.
This one the
Nice.
headshot will give him. This one see.
Cái gì là tay này? Yeah, cái gì say no? Dặm nó ngay là lại ta.
We should put in this one, India.
You can plug this one.
Hey, but this one too red then. This one is there. Okay.
Raspberry. Oh, raspberry thì cũng
Check is there.
Yes, raspberry.
Raspberry, no?
That is
Raspberry.
Jinjing. That Jinjing is there.
But not very.
cái gì nó ching. They have marked the ching tree here.
You plan out this time.
Let's go. We are crossing lots of potato farm here. Wow. Cái đó resort ở cái này bro, usmi miam này. Ha.
Ecotourism.
Acha. Chật là cái sông phú à cục cái co. Oh my god. Cái gì sông phú à cục cái ta ra hiện hẳn rồi. Chơi ní thôi.
Yam no ai.
Chín nói co.
Magi weather though.
Oi.
If you forget the knife means you know it's food.
The wind is little bit chilly. Chilly. Atung ya kagi thale shui. Oh ha. Wow. Cái gì ta sông phú khờ. Apam khờ. Hey. Phải tao ấy đâu.
I'm not crazy, not good as you. We'll go on the top there, see there. Huh? Let's go up there.
Yeah. What about there?
They are not very nice.
Too far, no?
I
Let's
don't think we will get the view, yeah.
Here,
Yeah, sir, I don't think we'll get.
there.
Yeah. I feel like we'll get there.
You and me.
Potato farm
Because
anyway.
that's how we can view the village.
Xem
and
mình
all.
lấy phê.
Now let's go and check out.
Everything like.
Cái thằng gì nha. Cái gì chơi này cái thằng lấy lên. Thì miệng mà man là cái. Cái gì cái giật là tí đấy. Sao lấy chốt cái chốt chứ. Giận suy niệm đấy. Say. Dubai li bombing, US li bombing, Japan, Korea tha li bombing. Chi. Iram mui. Sak yu nào gì. Hi ta lấy khô hi. Lấy xỉm lại.
Just potato bud, no? Yeah, potato bud. Plant bud.
Lại lại.
This is potato farm.
Potato farm finally.
View is hopeless.
Yeah. There is no view here. Just potato farm. Hết. Giao thuy giờ đây đây ta cái phùng đi giao thuy hoàng và lại chỉ đấy. Hey chị. Ây da, alu gì ổn. Ổn được lấy gì. Thì đã đâu ổn muốn sợ được lấy. Dầu bưng ngầm rồi này nó lấy. Dầu đi dầu ấy, đừng ngày đi. Chỉ cái phùng tôn cá xuống này này. Cái phùng tôn này, con đặt lên này. Chỉ này. Hả thằng ý này village cầm gan chả ra gì bao nhiêu này. Hiện cái phùng yak cá hay này. Hình phát lại bấm chả. Sừng ní mình ở gì? Bên hiệu sinh thả lại được. Sừng là trekking ra được lại gì? Mơ cái xịt lá gì là? Mơ cái xịt này đây à?
Pantukan mati soy de. Pantukan ama hang ko.
Hầu gì đam hay quá?
Pantukan loi ga potato farm ama hang do pa.
Hầu gì mà gì amuk hay quá ta?
Sanganing mi underwear na business masama hang do pa ya ne. Village ke pantukan. Pantukan hang loi ga ok masama lei ba.
Sanganing mi si tang ba mi ne he. Mà mình tang ba. Go.
Ok masama lei loi ga. Gari masama lon na lagi ba ko.
We are going to have our lunch.
This soil is still fertile.
Breakfast. Sinju sao phải là chú ý cơ.
Sinju.
Cái nó xem ra lấy sừng này mình nữa. Wow. Yesterday.
No, previous day. Get Sabarin brother within.
Oh. Wow, that will be tasty. Ini sakui dah ini je.
Stealing cucumber and carrot from mother's hidden place.
Wow, we already revealed here.
Process of
Still good.
friend.
Let me eat already hungry. Both mix.
Cái này thì tha mình chủ là thành hóa này đó.
Less than.
Phải pan nào này.
Could have charged for more, no sir. Here. Don't take my seat.
It is soft and little bit chewy.
Unless they
Really
want
good.
this one. This to see, huh? This. What wash now? No water.
Cái nó không blur sai được này nè.
Water.
Sai cái pa.
Many birds are there.
Cái này xem cái này sai tới khi ta đâm này mà hi. Cái phùng aton này này. We are here at the top of the mountain. Not actually top, but top of little mountain.
Get to know that you have got.
Higher mountains. Yam lấy nào có. That is an ending.
No, let's hunt this
So
bird. No?
all these backside potato farms. And, yeah, we're having a good time here. Sir Justin, say hi.
Hi, hello, hi.
Message to Commercian.
All the teachers are outside enjoying the view.
Yeah, it's so good. Sir, ang jaso science po message ama bigro.
Hello, science students. We are enjoying
Mm.
in the very top of the mountain.
Yes.
Alu farming.
Biochemical yung matang na grahay bro sir. Never
No
use
chemical.
pure organic, right?
Pure organic.
Yeah.
No pesticide.
No pesticide. No
Coming for inspection.
insecticide.
Sang Jai is
Very
Even
healthy.
you can see from the sun, that soil, huh?
juicy.
coming for inspection. See the formula khara palaga.
Don't spoil here.
Ah,
Keep neat and clean. Keep
So-
environment clean.
we are
So
all
that's why
here.
we are collecting all the plastic.
Yeah. This is a very good deed that we are doing. Okay, we are not throwing away the plastic and papers. We are putting there. We are going to take back home.
Because Eco Club teacher is here.
Yeah.
Hello.
Nice, nice.
So what is this one? The cup.
Wow, so colorful. Musambi, cucumber,
Where do you get this
carrot, and here is
Sprite.
the meat, and then
These
Sprite.
all are
Non-alcoholic. Non-toxic.
I was hoping that you say.
Round one.
Non-toxic. Non-alcoholic.
Ay, non-toxic.
Non-toxic doesn't mean we don't drink coke.
Don't say coke. I hate coke.
This is going to be
Hey, copyright.
well, the copyright.
This is the man. This is the man uttering that words. This is the man. So here is the Sprite.
Sprite, Coke.
Hello.
Not Coke anymore.
Spirit.
God.
Spirit.
Now turn to God.
No more coke.
God.
And picture.
Imphana le ya.
Hi.
Ringpai.
Matana eh.
I have to reveal something. His crush is Tangkul. Hey! Sir Justin's crush is Tangkul, and he watched more Tangkul movies than me.
More thankful songs than me.
I don't know when Yung and others release the new song. He will be informing me.
First
So-
person to inform.
Yeah. So he is watching. He's a great fan of Tangkul, so it's a great privilege.
Yeah, he like Tangkul too much. More than the Tangkul now.
Who knows? He might start sleep talking in Tangkul as well. Wow. In Panay we are really glad and having a great time.
Sorry. Wait, bubbles.
Lunch yak lay
You-
We have to cheers. Wait.
Wait.
Oh, already started. Oh my god.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. Me also.
Yeah.
Record here.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, don't put.
Mok there.
That is different.
I don't know, poison will coming out.
Science teacher is okay.
He understand all the chemical.
Wait. There, this one. What is Sprite one?
One also take one video. So video.
When I drink,
Yeah, ring bhai.
drink is another type of drink. Suddenly.
She phan lak le.
In front of the king house, they cannot kill pork. The place where we park our vehicle, no? That is king house. Cannot.
Now our lunch is done. We will move back
Already
again.
consumed.
Yeah, already. Our lunch already consumed.
Already inside the stomach.
Storage in the stored in the stomach. Abam ji ring pha na le. Ring bhai.
Actually,
Let's have photo shoot.
See, no.
Let's take no.
Okay. Last time.
Atung ba le ka kap le ka.
From there, we went back late.
It's very good.
Back late.
Ka chung ham mun le ka khirdan da sa khye re.
All these villas are long here.
We sat here. We had a great time. Talking, having conversation. It's so good to go out, come out like this, and so refreshing. We'll be going back now. They said they want to take some photos, so we'll take some photo and we'll be going back.
Maning. This one.
Hình phải trả lấy isi hi trả đó. Không đi chị một cặp bên lấy isi.
Group photo. Take from here. From mine also.
Hoi iPhone na load ah.
Sir,
iPhone na load ready nung ide. We can hear the chirping of the birds and it's very lovely. The sun is setting and we are now going back. We're leaving this place. We had a great time here, around here, and the view is also very good. There's around job looking. For the last time, let us check out the view. We can see 3-4 villages from here. We have crossed one village down there, which we cannot see right now. It's really good. Hello guys, so we are here at the potato farm and also on top of the mountain, I should say. So we came here and we enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much for watching the video and being with us here in the video. So we came here, we had our lunch, we had a nice conversation, and also we did have a good ride. And now we will be returning back to Maram. So as you can see all the places, this is very beautiful, and as you can also already see in the video. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and now let us go home.
Okay.
Woo! Yoo! Woo, 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 woo! Yeah, Sangja! So we are here at eco tourism destination. I don't know how to pronounce the name. Deburi, Mao Pungdong. Okay, 2021. Okay, it's the first time for me to witness and to visit this place. It is very good. Welcome to my channel. Woo! Yay, let's go home. Yay! Sir Justin! Woo! Chanchi! Yay! Chanchi!
Where are you, Sancho? Please come back! Here in Maram!
He is waiting!
I still love you! Oh my goodness, bird!
Woo, woo, woo. Yay! We are on the way back home.
Yes! We are back!
Let's go! The place is good, so we stop here and we're taking some photos. Huh? The top vlogger is there. Sarangja is vlogging there, see, on top of the small hill beside the road.